Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can fix the black screens or the black background on Taskbar Hero. Let's begin. First, open up Steam Client, log into your account, all right? Click over here, go to Library, right-click on Taskbar Hero, go to Manage, Browse Local Files, all right? Then from here, right-click on Taskbar Hero application, right? Go to Properties, Compatibility, and select Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click on Apply, then OK. Close this window or folder. Go back to Taskbar Hero, right-click. This time, go to Properties, all right? Go to Installed Files. Select or click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. So this will just take less than a few minutes. So it actually finished in just a few seconds. So it shows in here it has been fully validated. However, if you have some errors or missing files, it will show in here that Steam will reacquire those files and re-download them. So once you have successfully done these two troubleshoots, pretty much you're good to go. You can restart Steam, then play Taskbar Hero. Everything should now work smoothly as ever. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.